Understanding trial period, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, trial period. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you in both business and everyday situations. Let's dive in. The term, trial period, refers to a specific time frame during which a person can test or use a service, product, or employment role before making a final decision or commitment. It's like a test drive for a car, but it can apply to many different scenarios. During a trial period, you get the chance to experience something firsthand without a long-term commitment. In business, a trial period is often offered when you subscribe to a service or purchase a product. For example, a software company might offer a 30-day trial period during which you can use their product for free. In employment, a trial period, sometimes called a probationary period, is a time when a new employee is evaluated to see if they are a good fit for the position. It's a chance for both the employer and the employee to assess compatibility before confirming the job placement. Let's look at some everyday examples. 1. Subscription services. This streaming service offers a 1-month trial period before you have to pay. 2. Employment. The first 3 months of her job are a trial period, after which her performance will be reviewed. 3. Products. You can return the vacuum cleaner within the 60-day trial period if you're not satisfied. When talking about trial periods, it's important to be clear about the duration. Specify how long the trial period lasts. Understand the terms. Know what is expected during the trial period. Use it in a relevant context. This phrase is mostly used in business, employment, and product testing scenarios. That's all about trial period. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations and professional interactions. Remember, a trial period is all about testing and evaluating before making a big decision. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.